Hello, this is my lesson 12 discussion. So, my first prompt is: have you ever had a manager or boss whose leadership disappointed you? And then, if I couldn't answer that one, describe the most effective manager or boss. So I actually did have a manager that their leadership did disappoint me, and it actually led me to quitting my job. The manager that I had, they did not perform effective leadership as she disregarded everything that I had to say. So she was micromanaging me, she refused to listen to me, and she didn't communicate properly when it came to the work that I was doing. She would constantly call me and ask what I was doing or why I was doing something. And it made me lose respect for her overall because every day, whenever I communicated an issue or a lack of communication, she managed to turn it around on me and make it my fault for not initiating the communication, which didn't make sense because I had proof, I guess you could say, of my communication and me initiating it. But it made her less effective because of the way that she was speaking to everybody, because of the way that she micromanaged me, and because of the way that she chose to speak to me in certain instances. It made me lose respect and passion for the job that I was doing, even though I had been doing it for 2.5 years. I worked really hard at the job that I did, and I had a great passion for it. But because of the formal type of leadership that she had and the way that she chose to use this power, it made me lose respect overall. And it also, I hated going into work every day because of her overall. Um, and then the leadership approach that best fits me would probably be informal. I would rather have a natural type of leadership based on respect and the influence. Because I did that for a while at my old job, at both of them actually. I worked really hard and I proved myself to be worthy of the title of manager, of lead, all of that. And it showed my bosses that I was willing to put in the work for the challenge of managing a team or teaching or training a team. It also it gave my team the chance to express their interest in me becoming a manager or becoming their boss in a way. They had more respect for me and they knew that I could do the job. They also knew that I could lead them to make them more successful with the work that they were doing. And I also had a really good relationship with them when they knew that I wouldn't micromanage them, but I would make sure that the job was getting done. Um, I don't like the formal leadership where people are appointed into the position based off of a job application because it's harder for them to earn the respect, and it also creates some negative feelings within the team because they feel they deserved it more. It causes a lot of conflict, and that's why I personally prefer the informal leadership. Thank you.